Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip uses the idea of some of the things that are done on pipelines to practice our math. So if an oil pipeline is flowing at a rate of 6 barrels per minute, the flow is how many barrels per day? So 6 barrels per minute, and there are 60 minutes per hour. So 6 times 60 barrels per hour. But they want barrels per day, and there are 24 hours per day. Hours cancel. The only units I have left are barrels per day, and that's what they were asking for. So 6 times 60 times 24. Equals 8,640. Three pipes with a diameter of 9 inches from wells join and run to a processing facility in a single larger pipe. The larger pipe must have a diameter of at least how many inches to carry the same volume at the same flow speed? So to find the area of a cross-section of the pipe, we take the radius squared. So the area is equal to the radius squared times pi. Often they say it like this, pi r squared. The only thing you square is the pi, is the r. So if each of those is 9, the area of 1 is equal to 9 squared pi, which is equal to 81 pi. Then there's 3 of those, so 3 times 81 pi is equal to 243 pi. Well, the area of the pipe, the larger one, is going to still be pi r squared. And so if I want to find out what, we know that 243 pi equals pi r squared. So divide both sides by pi, and r squared equals 243, so r equals the square root of 243. Square root 15.6. So it's got to be greater than 15.6 inches for the radius. So maybe they have a 16-inch pipe. Maybe they go up to 18. Anyways, just depending on what they think their future needs are going to be. You're working on constructing a 200-mile pipeline. Your crew has been building the pipeline at a rate of 2,457 feet per day. There are still 157 miles of pipeline left to build. How many days of work are left to do? Well, let's take our 157 miles, and there are one mile is 5,280 feet. So if I multiply those, I'll find out how many feet I have left to do, and I can do 2,457 feet per day, and I know the day needs to go on top because that's what our answer needs to be, and the feet go on bottom, so it will cancel the feet that are already on top. The only units left are days, so I think I've got my units right. 157 times 5,280 divided by 2,457. So that says we have about 337 days until we finish this project.